Today we're tackling a sneaky leak problem under the sink. This one's been a mystery for a while, until we opened the cabinet and found it full of water. Turns out, the culprit is a failed shutoff valve. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to remove the old valve and install a new one the right way. Identifying the problem. You can see these two valves look different. On one, you can see the white stem, and on the other, you can't. That's a clue. The failed one just isn't working. Time to replace it. Preparation. First things first, I'm removing the cabinet doors to get more working space. Just back out these screws, easy. Shut off main water supply. Next, turn off the water to the whole house. On older homes, this one's about 25 years old. You'll usually have one main shut-off valve near the water meter. Turn it 90 degrees to the pipe to shut it off. Confirm water is off. Test the faucet to make sure there's no water flow before starting. Removing the old valve. Loosen the fittings. One wrench holds the valve steady while the other turns a nut. These are compression fittings, so the nut is what seals the brass ring against pipe. Watch for leftover water. A little water will drip out from the pipe. That's normal. Freeing the compression ring. Sometimes these brass compression rings are stubborn. You can try channel locks to work it loose, but in my case, it wouldn't budge. So I use a Dremel with metal cutting blade to make a small cut, then pry it open with a screwdriver. Cleaning the pipe. This little tool cleans 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch pipes. It has steel bristles inside to remove corrosion and debris, so you get a clean, smooth surface for the new fitting. Installing the new valve. I'm using a Watts Aqualock push-fit valve. Just slide it on until it's fully seated, then lock it in place with a horseshoe clip so it can't release accidentally. Fixing a leak. When I first tested it, there was a tiny leak. That's because I reused the old brass ring. Bad idea. I cut the pipe shorter with a small pipe cutter, added a new nut and ring, and reinstalled the valve. This time, no leaks. That's it. A brand new shutoff valve, no drips, and the cabinet stays dry. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Subscribe for more DIY plumbing fixes, and check out my other videos for more under-the-sink repairs. Thanks for watching.